Accept you, mentioned in the groom, before the solemnizing officer, to be my husband, and I promise and to make covenant in front of God and these witnesses that I will become your lovable, faithful wife in abundance, in need, in strength, in sorrow, in sickness, and in health, till death do us part. So that is marriage vow, more than a promise. Groom, take the wedding ring of the bride. And repeat after me before you give. Hold on. I give this ring to you.
I give this ring to you.
Mention the name of the bride. As a symbol of my endless love and vows. In order to answer and do my promises. Go ahead, sir. The bride is saying, good, that is the meaning of wedding ring. Hold on. I give this ring to you. Pangalan niya. As a symbol of my endless love and vows in order to answer and do my promises. Okay, go ahead, ma'am. Come on. Holding hands both. This is final and declaration. Everybody please stand up. Especially the witness. Raise your right hand. Witness. Para makita sa camera na kinasal natin. Witness, please. Good. So, Rolly and Christine, before the presence of your witnesses, family and friends, Republic of the Philippines, Office of the Civil State General, Certificate of Marriage, as solemnizing officer, now, by the power and authority bestowed upon me, according to the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, and look into heaven for the divine sanction. Now I pronounce you husband and wife. Truly, kiss your wife 1 hour. Palakpak po. Palakpak. Kiss your wife. Palakpak po, palakpak. Buhay kayo. Okay. Kuha. Kamera, kuha nyo. Again, 1 more. Ito pa. Okay, please.
Tagalan nyo. Hindi na naman nakuha.
Okay. Okay, paano pa? Congratulations. Happy marriage. May the Lord bless you.
Hindi na nakuha. Tagalan nyo.
1 hour daw eh.
1 hour.
Dali.
Yeah.